created this cow? How is white milk coming from this cow? It's eating green grass and it's producing white milk. How is this happening? Who's doing this? Allah. Allah is knowing the words. La ilaha illallah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. So Allah would send many messengers, prophets to remind mankind, okay, about the purpose of life. Now, why are they here? What do we need to do? So one of the rulings from Allah as Muslims, that we pray, those who are able to pray 5 times a day. Okay? 5 times a day. So who's here over 10? Put your hand up. So all of you who are over 10, please make sure you pray your 5 times a day. Okay? Okay? All those who are over 10, make sure you pray 5 times a day. Make sure you pray 5 times a day. Okay? Okay? Try your best. Okay? Try your best.